Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today we are going to make a simple home-style chicken curry. To make it more simpler, we will make it in a pressure cooker. This curry goes very well with rice or rotis, but my favorite way of eating it is with appams, for which I will be posting the recipe soon. So let's get started. In a pressure cooker, heat oil and add the whole spices. When they sizzle, add the chopped onions and saute on a moderate flame until they are nice and soft. Now add the ginger garlic paste and the onion paste. Saute this until the onion mixture changes color. Add the chicken and let it fry in the oil until it turns white for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the tomato puree and the salt and mix well. Cook this for 5 to 7 minutes until the tomato is nicely cooked. You can see the chicken has started releasing water. Add the spices now: turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Cook them for a minute or two. Add the ground coconut and cook this for a few minutes. And add a cup of water or as per your desired curry thickness. Taste and adjust salt. Now cover the lid and pressure cook it until the chicken is nice and tender. That's it. Our chicken curry is ready. It's quite simple, right? I hope you do give this a try and let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive instant notifications of new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching.